Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get rid of start screen that shows up all time on opening Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening a Microsoft Word 2007 version. That is the older Microsoft Word version. So you can see we don't see a start screen on the older version of Microsoft Word like the 2007 or 2010 or 2003, whatever you are using the older version. So you won't get such start screen. But if you're using a newer Microsoft Word like 2013, 16, 19 and so. So let me show you the newer version of Microsoft Word. So you can see this kind of start screen always shows up all the time when you open the newer version of Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint, right? So only after clicking on the blank document, you will directly move to the original layouts. So if you feel irritating with this start screen showing all the time when opening Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint, then what you can do is just go to this option and just scroll down. Here you can see here, show the start screen when this application starts. Just disable this and click on OK. Now just close this window again and let us reopen the Microsoft Word. Now you can see it will directly move to the default page layout. So by going to the option which I have shown you here, you can easily get rid of the start screen that shows up all time on opening Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.